What we have here is a review for an Amazon portable power bank. It is rated at, if you can see here, 20,000 milliamp hours. Its output is 2.5 amps, and its solar panel is rated at 200 milliamp hours. Like I say, it was purchased from Amazon. It's solar power. The green light comes on when it's charging, like that. You open it up and it's got the micro USB input and 2 regular USB outputs to charge. So we will be testing it with an iPhone 8 to charge it. The iPhone 8 is currently at 83% battery health. So with its regular charge of about 1800 milliamp hours, when you factor in the 83% battery health, each charge is roughly 1500 milliamp hours. So we'll be seeing how many times the power bank can charge the phone before it dies. Like I say, it's rated at 20,000 milliamp hours. It's got a nice rubber coating on it. It feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel real cheap like some of them do. If you've seen the other review, like the AliExpress one, this one feels a lot better than that. So we'll be testing the solar capability of it to see how well that works. It does have the lights on the end, which shine like that, so it seems to be fairly decent. As far as a flashlight goes, it's just got the strobe and off. So we'll do a review of it. We'll see how well it charges solar. We'll see how many times it charges the phone, and then I will get back to you with the results. So we just got finished with our test on the power bank purchased from Amazon. It charged the phone almost 4 complete times, which would make it a usable almost 6,000 milliamp hours. The phone was left on while it was charging, so it probably was, when you factor in those 4 charges, it probably was 6,000 milliamp hours or a little over. So it's definitely not the 20,000 it's rated at, but 6,000 is definitely still usable. So now that it's empty, we will be charging it with solar to see how well it charges. Just sitting here, you can see the green lights on a little bit. I don't know how much that's actually charging, but we will conduct our test. As far as the method for charging though, charging the phone, because I was using a longer 10-foot cord. I don't know if that makes a difference for losses from the battery, but this is the cord I was using to charge it. And let's test the solar on it now. So the method for charging these with solar, that's the AliExpress one. I am conducting the solar charging experiment at the same time, is we will be leaving them in this window. The window gets sun for probably half the day to 2/3 of the day. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be putting them behind the window here. We'll be leaving them set up just like that. The lights are on for them charging, and we will conduct the solar charging, and I will give some updates along the way, and if not, I will get back to you guys once it's complete. We are at the end of 6 days now of being in the window. Hasn't been consistent. I have had to pull it in for a little bit as I went away, and I didn't want to leave them out while I was away. So like I say, at the end of 6 days, if I press where's the button here? If I press the button to see where we're at, it quickly flashes 3 bars and then it goes down to 2 bars. So we're roughly halfway charged 6 days into this test. So I'm gonna put it back outside with the other one, and I am going to see how it goes. So we are at the end of 13 days with this. It sat outside in the sun. 13 days, I believe, was the final count. And I click the button, and it says it's fully charged. So this took roughly 13 days. I don't know exactly how many days were full, complete sun to get this. So my final conclusion is, do I think this is worth it, the Amazon power bank? I think it is. Is the solar charger a bit of a gimmick? Sure, in a lot of instances. But I do a lot of outdoor stuff, so depending on what you're doing, it could be worth it. I do use it as a daily power bank. It seems to work fine for that, for the uses I have for it. If you're thinking that this is going to charge it in a day or 2 days, it's just not going to. It's more of an emergency use kind of thing, so keep that in mind when you're getting it. But I do think, given the right circumstances, the Amazon solar power bank could be worth it for you.